It is not good. I don't like it. It's We are here at our second coffee spot in like the coffee series and 20. For someone who admittedly claims that she's not a coffee drinker, I have had 2 cups of coffee already and this is going to be my third, and that's crazy. So we just sat down and I feel like the ambience is very nice. It is giving coffee and coffee और उन्होंने अभी मेन्यू दिया है, so we're going to look to it. So far the prices are not bad, but the thing is कि खाने के prices और coffee के prices are the same. They have mains, they also have breakfast, or they have croissants and everything in between. I am obviously going to go for something very sweet and frappe type. I think mom will like something on like the hotter side, so we can evaluate everything थोड़ा थोड़ा लेके. So let's go. Okay. We will have एक तो आपके मेन्स में क्रीमी अल्फ्रेडो पास्ता और उसके बाद एक लावेंडर ग्लिटर कर दें कूलर जो है नॉन कैफीन. ठीक है. एंड आई विल हैव वन मोर थिंग इसमें Raffaello Frost Frappe. Raffaello Frost Frappe. सो फॉर द ऑब्जर्वेशन इसके बहुत लिमिटेड मेन्यू है खाने के लिए. ऑब्वियसली कुछ भी नहीं है. देयर मेन मेन्यू के अंदर देयर आर 2 पास्तास एंड 3 सैंडविचेस जिसमें से एक एवोकाडो टोस्ट है. सो दैट्स सैड. बट हमने कॉफ़ीज में एक कॉफ़ी की ऑप्शन ली है एंड अदर वन इज़ अ कूलर. वी हैवंट ट्राइड एनीथिंग हॉट बिकॉज हम लोग घर से पी के आए थे. सो also they have dessert options इनके पास macarons and I think that's mousse and like chocolate cakes as well. They also have these very cute espresso things that you can get. I don't know if they're for sale, but yeah, they also have it like just like Luna did. जगह नहीं है.
साइड से निकाल लो, शायद के नीचे से बना लो मशीन पर. ये सब बना दिया, लेकिन जितना आ जाएगा दे दो. आज पूरे नहीं हो रहे ना मेरे.
Yeah. It is not good. It is very citrusy to the point that it's almost karwa. I don't know if this is lavender ka taste hai kya. It is not good. I don't like it. It's like very bitter side pick karwa. I understand citrus, but Acha, I did not like their drink, but they were very kind enough to offer it to change it. So they took that. But now we're going to try and have the pasta. My family says it's like really good, but let's see. Ooh. It is really good. It's creamy, salty, not too salty. It's really good. 10 on 10 for the pasta. So they just bought in the second drink, the replacement, and this is supposed to be the guava glitter. I'm going to shake it. Oh, look at how pretty it is. How much is it? Looks very nice. Going to try it. This is really good. This is exactly something I would drink. Sweet, a little citrusy, but like the perfect amount. We're going to try the last thing on your menu, that is the Raffaello Frappe. Where is the straw? Yay! I have very high hopes for this. It has cold foam on the top. It's good. I like it. If you like strong coffee, तो बहुत अच्छा. Maybe I think मैंने मीठा try किया हुआ है और उस वजह से ये मुझे थोड़ी कड़वी ज़्यादा लगी. I think I have to cleanse my palate. Wait a second. Not me recording this review for like the third time. अच्छा, I did cleanse my palate. पहले दो क्लिप्स मुझसे delete हो गए, मगर the thing is that I tried the coffee. It's finished now. I think the verdict is that it's a very good frappe if you like strong frappes. I usually get frappes because it's milder on the coffee, on the caffeine, and sweeter in taste. That which is why it makes it much more bearable for someone like me to drink it. मगर अगर देखा जाए ना तो ये frappe जो है is just, it tastes like a regular frappe. I got the Raffaello frappe and I couldn't tell that it was a Raffaello frappe because I couldn't taste it. But other than that, if you like strong frappes, strong coffee flavor, I think this is a really good option. But might as well just get the regular frappe because why pay extra if you're not tasting the thing that you wanted to taste. Other than that, I think I gave it like a 7. I was cut off again, but I gave a 7 out of 10. This bill again. Bill is, he stole it. It was like 4,000 ish. Okay, so we're finally out of the coffee shop. And sometimes आप कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो उनके सामने नहीं बोल सकते because आप उनकी नज़रें heavily feel हो रही थी. शॉप भी काफ़ी छोटी थी तो सब लोग बहुत आपस में आसपास ही थे. उषा, you're coming inside, पीछे हो जाओ. So I'm going to ask Mama Bear कि वो out of 10 चीज़ों को rate करें. सबसे पहले the ambience, the whole coffee shop का interior and the whole branding वगैरह, out of 10.
It's 8.
8. How was the customer service?
क्योंकि अभी नए हैं तो excellent.
Customer service was actually very nice. I really liked them. वो बहुत ही sweet लोग थे and they were actually concerned. I don't know if it's because हमारे cameras खुले हुए थे या फिर वो लोग genuinely इतने अच्छे.
बहुत अच्छे थे क्योंकि हमें भी लूना पे गए थे और उनको भी पता था कि हम लोग इनको शूट कर रहे हैं और उनको पता भी था कि हम लोग ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं या हम उनको कवर कर रहे हैं. तो
ये भी पता था कि हमें उनकी हिबिस्कस वाली माचा वाली चीज बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई.
इवन की उनकी कॉफी भी ठीक थी, मसलन मजे की नहीं थी स्पेनिश लाटे तो. लेकिन दे डोंट बॉदर कि भाई उनके कस्टमर्स खुद जा रहे हैं, उनको कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. इवन कि उन्होंने आके पूछने की तकलीफ भी नहीं की. जैसे हमने इनको बोला कि हमें ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगी, हालांकि हमने खुद ऑर्डर किया था और इट वाज आवर फर्स्ट टाइम कि वी वर ट्राइंग दैट ड्रिंक and we don't like it and they immediately
replaced it. Acha, the most important thing, how was the coffee?
Coffee.
Okay, so last clip में मेरा phone died because I don't charge. So the last thing that I want to ask, out of 10 coffee को rate करता because that is the most important step in any coffee shop. Please.
मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे पैसे दो, रिश्वत दो. फिर हाथ में क्यों रिव्यू दूं मैं?
इन्होंने पहले 5 बोला था. We're going to go with that. She said कि I gave the coffee 5 before my phone died. I think कि I'd give it a solid 6 or 7. I'd go with 7. कॉफ़ी बुरी नहीं थी, फ्लेवर अच्छा था, बस जो चीज़ें का नाम था वो फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा था. And that is it for today, everyone. I hope you liked the vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe and share with your friends and stay tuned for more. Allah Hafiz.
मैं तो नहीं लेके जाऊंगा नई कॉफी शॉप.
Mama.
मैं भी बता रहा हूँ.